Welcome to Take a Leaper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to install Python on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. Now, at first, just go to search and open up CMD and type Python --version just to verify that you have Python installed. And if you have it installed, just go to search and type add or remove. Just open up add or remove program. And in here, just search for Python. And you'll see Python right here. Just click on Python and click on install. Click on install once again. Then just wait, Python will start to be installed. And after that has been done, just click on close. You can also install the Python launcher. So just click on install, click on yes. Then just wait, give it some time, and there you go. Python has been successfully installed. And basically that is how to install Python on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.